Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling cookies on the Samsung Internet Browser. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone, scroll down the settings and tap on Apps. In the Apps settings, search for Samsung Internet in the search bar at the top and tap on it to open the settings. Tap Samsung Internet Settings at the top of the options. Scroll down the Internet settings and tap Sites and Downloads. On the Sites and Downloads page, select Site Permissions. Tap Cookies at the top. You can then choose to allow all cookies, block third-party cookies, or block all cookies. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.